In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove this entire carburetor assembly. Your bike does not have to be flipped over, but I do suggest you take off the rear wheel because it makes it a lot easier. The first step would be to remove this air filter, and that's very easy. I'm just going to remove it because I already unscrewed that clamp. Put it aside. Now there are two more screws right here, one here, and that's removed with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, with that piece removed, there are now two more bolts again. Now these are the final two bolts to remove, and then the carburetor will just pop straight off. These are the two bolts. Now these two bolts are off and the carburetor is free, except at the bottom there is the throttle linkage and the fuel line, and that can be removed by unscrewing it counterclockwise, and the fuel line can just be popped off. That's it for today's video on how to remove your carburetor. If this video helped you, be sure to subscribe down below and check out my other videos on how to troubleshoot your pocket bike and how to do other repairs.